Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, you have studied about the judiciary, the importance of judiciary, and also the importance of independent judiciary. In today's lecture, we will study about the appointment of judges. Appointment of judges. In India, judges are not appointed by legislature. Judges are not political person. To be a judge, a person must have an experience as a lawyer or must be having good knowledge of law. Every judge of the Supreme Court is appointed by the President, but while appointing a judge other than the Chief Justice of India is always consulted. Thus, neither political bias nor personal favoritism would play any part in the appointment of judges. Means, in India, appointment of judges is on the basis of their caliber, not on the basis of any political pressure. Tenure of judges. Judges have fixed tenure. A very short tenure hinders the efficiency of the judiciary. The judges should be allowed to have a long tenure. In India, a Supreme Court judge can remain in office till he has attained the age of 65 years. A judge of High Court remains in office till he has attained the age of 62 years. They have secured tenure, and that's why judges can work without fear and favor. One more provision that ensure independence of judiciary in India is removal of judges. The procedure to remove a judge is very difficult. That's why judges are not easily removed by their post. The Supreme Court and High Court judges are not easily dismissible. They can be removed by the President on ground of proven misbehavior or incapacity or an address of each house of parliament. Means the removal of judges is not a easy process. So in normal case, in simple case, it can never be thought by the government for removing the judges. So judges can do their duty without any fear and favor. Salary and allowances of the judges. It is mentioned in the constitution that salary and allowances of the judges will not be approved by the legislature. The salaries of the judges cannot be reduced except during periods of financial emergency. Judges' salaries, allowances, etc. shall not be varied to their disadvantages during their term of office. Moreover, they are charged on the Consolidated Fund of India and are not subject to vote of Parliament. The salaries of the judges of High Court are charged on the Consolidated Fund of the state. The judges' salaries cannot be reduced, I told to you earlier, except in one situation, that is financial emergency is applicable in a country. Immune from personal criticism. It means the decision of the judges are immune from the personal criticism. They can punish those who are found guilty of contempt of court. So they are protected from criticism. Parliament cannot discuss the conduct of judges. I must say, for this point, you have see many points regarding this in the movies also. So, judges can punish who are insulting or using bad language during the process of a case. All these points are showing in India, judiciary is an independent organ and the process of the judiciary is not under any political authority or any political post or any political leader. So, judiciary can its work without any fear and favor or any pressure. I hope all the points are clear to you. If you face any problem, you can ask. Thank you and have a nice day.